Hi guys, today we are discussing 2022 botany optional paper mains. The first question is, what is mycoplasma? Describe its types and importance in plant pathogenesis, which is definition is for 2 marks, and describe its types and importance in plant pathogenesis 8 marks. Total is 10 marks. Question it is, describe the ultrastructure of endospore of Bacillus sp. Bacillus sp. C. The question in one question number 1. The C is, describe the structure of Stropilus of equistum with the help of a well-labeled diagram. What is chloroplast? Describe the fine structure of chloroplast in chlorophyceae. Write a comparative account of the icohedral and helical symmetry of viruses. The question number 2 is, what is brown spot disease of rice? Describe its causal organism, symptoms, disease cycle, and its control. How does this disease damage the rural agroeconomy of India? B. Draw and describe the cell wall structure of gram-positive bacteria. What are the major differences between the cell walls of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria? What is the brown spot disease of rice? Describe its causal organism, symptoms, disease cycle, and its control. How does this disease damage the rural agroeconomy of India? The B in question number 2, B is, draw and describe the cell wall structure of gram-positive bacteria. What are the major difference between the cell walls of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria? It's for 15 marks. And in question number 2, C, describe the course postulates. How does it help in avoiding the wrong identification of any plant pathogen? In question number 3, the question number 3 is, what is dikaryoticization in fungi? Describe different methods of dikaryoticization in Basidiomycetes. How does dikaryoticization in Ascomycetes differ from Basidiomycetes? Give an elaborate account of the use of algae in food and fuel production. Describe the development of male and female gametophytes of Marsilia. What are the characteristic features of the family Orchidaceae? How did the classification system of Bentham and Hooker 1862, Engler and Prandtl and Hutchinson 1959 deal with its placement among the families of monocots? It's for 20 marks. Give a detailed account of the theories proposed to explain origin of angiosperms. Give a detailed account of type stomata in angiosperms. In section B, question number 5, answer the following in about 150 words each. Mention the role of embryo rescue in interspecific hybridization. B. Explain hybridization. Write on one example of economically useful hybrid. Describe the method to produce hybrids. It's for 10 marks. C. Write an account of plants used as natural dyes. Give a binomial name and family of any 3 dye yielding plants that are used as a food additives. Distinguish between anther culture and microspore culture. Which technique is more advantageous? Give reasons. Write a note on the role of palynology in plant systematics. Write a detailed account of homospory, aniospory, Inclement heterospory and heterospory. Elaborate on the evolution from homospory to heterospory in relation to geological time. This is for 20 marks. Endosperm is essentially a triploid tissue in angiosperm with some exceptions. Give a detailed account of halobial endosperm, emphasizing on developmental variation. What type of differences can be seen in this sequence of occurrence of karyokinesis and cytokinesis in nuclear, cellular and halobial type of endosperm. Using appropriate diagram of normal embryo sac, elaborate the structural complexity of angiosperm embryo. Write the uses of botanical name, family and morphology of useful parts of the following plants: cloves, saffron, nutmeg, date palm, pineapple. Again, this is a 20 marks question. B. Discuss the role of botanical garden in conserving biodiversity. Write the names of 3 important botanical gardens in India. This is for 15 marks question. For botanical garden, conserving biodiversity, it is 12. Write 3 names of important botanical garden in India. For it's for 3 marks and it is equal to 15 marks. Write a detailed note on the role of ethnobotany in conserving the Indian traditional knowledge of medicinal plants. Again, this is for 15 marks question. Describe the protocol involved in rooting and acclimatization of plants produced using in vitro culture. Elaborate on the various problems and solutions associated with this technique. Again, this is 10 plus 10, 20 marks. Differentiate between direct and indirect organogenesis. Discuss the merits and demerits of each method. What are energy plantations? Narrate the salient features of the energy alternative for energy security of India. With this, we are concluding this paper. This is the botany first paper, and thank you for watching.